Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, you are going to see about lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries. List is like a string. The list allows you to store different data type in a list. This is same for all sequence in Python. Here I want to open a list named as a flower. Open a square bracket that indicate that the following sequence is a list. Now I want to add some value to our list, that is jasmine, lotus and marigold. See here, jasmine is assigned in the position 0 and lotus is in the position 1 and marigold is in the position 2. If you want to print jasmine, then use print of flower of 0. Save this file and run the program. You get the output as jasmine. Now I want to print a value marigold, the last value in the sequence. For that, print of flower of -1. Now run this file. You get the output as marigold. If you want to print all the value in the flower list, then you can use a for loop. See here, for I in flower colon print of I. Now run this file. Yeah, you get the output as jasmine, lotus and marigold. Now I already told that everything in Python is an object. So this flower is also an object for some class, right? Why don't we check that by using a type of method? This method is used to know the type of some objects. Print of type of flower. Now save this program and run this file. You see the output as class list. It shows that the flower is an object of class list. All classes in Python have some method. Same way, this class is also have some method. Now we are going to do one method in class list. Flower dot. When you enter dot, it shows a method in a list. Now I want to do an append method. Now this method is used to add a value to end of our list. We're asking for object string at 300. Now print the flower. Now run this file and see the output. You can see that the flower list is updated. That is entered with a 300. Tuples is similar to list. This is also allows you to store different data types in a tuple. And a tuples allows you to have a duplicate value. See here. Fruit is equal to open bracket. This bracket indicate that the following sequence is a tuple. Open quotes, apple, comma, banana, comma, apple, and finally jackfruit. Now print our fruit. Yeah, it printed and allows you to have a duplicate value. See here, apple is printed 2 times. Tuple is exactly same as list. Then why we use this? Actually, there is one difference in both. That is, tuple is unchangeable. That is, you cannot change any value in tuple. This is where we use a tuple. For example, fruit dot. See here. It does not show any change method like insert, pop, remove. There is nothing here. If you want to do an operation there, you should not allow the user to change your list of value, then you can use the tuples. Sets. This is also same as list. Here the difference is set is not allow any duplicate value. For example, fruit is equal to open curly brace. This curly brace indicate that the following sequence is a set followed by apple, orange and apple. Now print of fruit. Run this file and see the output. Yeah, it print orange and apple. We enter a value of 3 with the 2 apples, but the output have only a 1 apple. This is what the sets can do. It remove all the duplicate elements. Dictionaries. It somewhat differ from the list. In dictionaries, all data value stored in a key value pairs. See here. Dict equal to open curly brace name colon python and year colon 1991. Here name and year is a key and a key it should be a string format and this python and 1991 is a value. Now we can access the value by using a name. Print of dict of open quotes name run the file. You see the output as python. Same like a sets, this is also not allows you to store a duplicate value. Now add name colon key2. Now print of dict run this file and you see the output as name key2 years 1991. Key2 value is override the python. This is how the dictionary stores values. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm Kirtana. If you want to see more video like this, then subscribe my channel. If you think this video is useful to you, then give a big thumbs up.